This 2014 Jayco Redhawk 31XL is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 9, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, LP detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, skylight, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2014 Jayco Redhawk 31XL is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.